In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HTML in Wix using your browser's inspect tool. Now, before we begin, it's important to understand one thing. Wix is a website builder that doesn't give you direct access to your site's full HTML files the same way a hand-coded site would. However, you can still view and inspect the HTML that the browser renders when your page loads. This is useful if you want to understand how elements are structured, troubleshoot layout issues, or grab specific pieces of code like classes, IDs, or inline styles. First, make sure your Wix site is open in a web browser, such as Chrome or a similar modern browser. You can do this either in preview mode from the Wix editor or by opening the live published site. It's usually easier to see the final clean structure on the live site, but either option will work. Once your page is open and fully loaded, move your mouse to the right side of the browser window over the vertical scroll bar. This is the bar you use to scroll up and down the page. You don't have to be on any special part of the site. Just make sure your mouse is within the browser window, ideally somewhere near the scroll bar or over the page content. Now, right-click. On most computers, that means clicking with the right mouse button. If you're on a trackpad or a device that doesn't have a physical right button, use the gesture or key combination that performs a right-click, such as a two-finger click on many laptops. After you right-click, a context menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Inspect, or sometimes Inspect Element. Go ahead and click on that. When you do this, a panel will open, usually at the bottom or on the right side of your browser. This is the browser's Developer Tools area. In the Elements or Inspector tab, you'll see the HTML that makes up your Wix page, along with the corresponding CSS styles on the side. From here, you can hover over different lines of HTML, and the browser will highlight the matching elements on the page. This is how you can explore the structure of your Wix site's HTML, even though you can't directly edit these files inside Wix. It's a powerful way to learn how your page is built and to gather the information you need for custom code, styling, or troubleshooting.